How do you finish the book? And how is the universe involved as you kind of leave people?
Yeah. Yeah, I talk about how we are a micro universe and a macro universe. There's a whole universe, but I am a universe by myself, right? And all the elements that form the universe also are the elements that form my body. There's the element of I speak from the Vedic literatures there, right? The literatures of the East. And I talk about how the human body is comprised of earth and water and fire and space and ether, sound. And all of these elements are the elements that exist in the universe as well. And therefore, when the micro universe learns how to stay in tune with the macro universe, the energies of the macro universe affect the micro universe. And one element that I have internally is the mind. A lot of mental health issues come because we are not in sync with the universe as well. How much are we in touch with the earth, the soil? How much do we really spend time with water? How much time do we spend with nature? Are we in sync with the circadian rhythm of the universe? Look at the times we go to bed. Look at the times we wake up. When was the last when I saw the sun actually rising? Even the birds wake up at sunrise and they go to bed at sunset, right? And we human beings today are going against the rhythm of the universe, right? Like George Bernard Shaw said, he said, now that we've learned how to fly in the sky as a bird and swim in the water as a fish, I think it's time that we also learn to walk on the earth as a human being, right? To stay in sync with the universe. So I feel a lot of our issues can be resolved if we are in sync with the universe, because that's how we are meant to live life. Now again, we have to be realistic. When we talk about the circadian rhythm, for example, waking up time and sleeping times, we live in a world where it's not all that easy and not all that black or white. People have to work a day job. They're coming to central London to do a job. By the time they reach back home, it's 11:15 for some people, right? And then what are they going to do? They have to take dinner, they have to spend time with their family, they have to look at some other things of their life. They're getting into bed at half one. You're not going to see sunrise then, right? So I'm not one of those idealistic kind of persons who say, okay, no, this is how we're going to put your life in place. What if we just start doing it 1 day a week or 2 days a week to just start connecting with the universe? I know we have a real life. 5 days a week, you're not going to be able to do that. Understood, taken, all right. What if 2 days a week we could try practicing a few of these things and see how the universe starts affecting our mind, start gathering that energy, start remaining in sync with that universe, start connecting to our own self. A lot of our mental health issues come because we don't connect to ourselves deeply. You know, our relationship with ourselves sets the tone for every other relationship in the world out there. But we don't relate to ourselves. Every other relationship we are trying to fix, and my own relationship with myself is a bloody mess, right? So when we are talking about the universe and me, I go beyond the body, beyond the mind, beyond the intellect, beyond the ego to my own self, right? My own self. Am I connecting to my own self? Am I connecting to the divine self if I believe in one? What is that connection? What is that spiritual connection that I'm exploring? If I don't explore that connection, I'll make some stopgap solutions to my mental health issues, but I won't really work on my holistic well-being. Holistic well-being is more than addressing guilt. Holistic well-being is more than addressing depression. Holistic well-being is more than addressing mental chatter. It is about being in the right space. It's about being in the right kind of connect. And when we make that, we are going beyond just these. We will deal with all of these, obviously. But we are actually experiencing a very fulfilled life then. So that's what the last section is about.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.